Okay, I was going to hold this off for a little bit, but it just crossed my mind to kind of do something. So this is C. Cannon Bay's United States of America Republic, which he considers it a government. There are 36 entries under this one business ID number. And if you look here, one of them is Moorish Science Temple International Mission, and assume business name, domestic nonprofit corporation. Okay, do you see anywhere where it says government? Then we got the legal name. So let's just click on this, check this out. So it's the United States of America Republic Corporation, a domestic nonprofit corporation created on 4/14 of 2015, and it runs out in a couple of years, and it's active. There's your business ID, and we got C. Cannon Bay with all of these. We're gonna go over these addresses too here in a moment, but let's just look at this. So you have all of this, okay? Boom, again, United States of America Republic Corporation. Okay, there was this other guy who is a Moor, and he had the Republic of the United States of America, and his name was Ernest Walker Bay. And as far as we know, he is in jail for scamming people like these people are doing. And let's just go back here. And just, so they have a Bureau of Indian Affairs, Bureau of Motor Vehicles, Community Outreach, then they're regular ones, Court of Appeals, let's just Criminal Court, Department of Agriculture. I bet you, I've went through a couple of them, but I bet you everything is the same people's names. Yeah. Boom, let's go back. So let's go check out here a little bit more. These are all active. And we come down bottom of here. There's a total of 36 entries that this guy has. And again, do you see anywhere where it states that it's a government? Again, assume business name, domestic nonprofit corporation. Okay, this is really simple. I mean, boom, boom, boom. So we'll click on the one that says the Moorish Science Temple International Mission. Okay, so we got we have Christopher Cannon Bay here at this South Ashland Drive in Chicago. So let's go over and check this out. So this is the building right here, and I really can't see what this is, but it is some type of business, and it doesn't look like an apartment complex or anything like that. So let's go back here for a minute. No, we're not going to check out the post office box, just put this one right here. Markham. Got right here. And there is no 33. The address that just doesn't exist if you take a look. Take a look around. So there's no. It'd be on this side of the road, so it does this. It's most likely this empty plot right here. So let's go back here again. Then we have this address right here, East 86th Place, and where do I have that? And so this one's even. So here it is right here. Again, another empty plot. There's this other document that I found. Chuck and I did a video on this quite a while ago, and he has this other video. I have it saved on my phone, not on my computer. But let me get that. Let's see if I can find the. Oh yeah, we'll put it here in a second. So, let's go back to this again. Then you have this address right here, and wait a minute, nope, my bad. Let's go down here. To this right here in Gary, Indiana. So, 1499. There is no 1499. So it's just the next closest place is this building. So then he has another one that is 710 right here. So let's click on this. See what it brings up. Oh yeah, this is the junkyard. There we go. Hold on a second till it. Yeah, so this is the junkyard. So on the document, the certificate that he has on here, this is where the Moorish Science Temple of America is. That's under him, at 710 Wheeler Street in Griffith, Indiana. And hold on a minute, and I can. No, I can't get it onto this one. So that's where that's at. So hold on a minute, and I'll get that document up here. So this was the document I was telling you. I just had to load it up onto my computer from my phone. So again, it says Domestic Nonprofit Corporation, United States of America, Republic Corporation at 710 Wheeler Street in Griffith, Indiana. So just coming down here just to show you, it's registered under the Moorish Science Temple of America, 710 South Wheeler, Unit 1, Griffin, Indiana. Hold on a minute, we're going to show you where that is. Again, President Christopher Cannon Bay. Boom, boom, boom. So there you go. So I'm not lying. So again, let's see that address. Okay, right here, the Moorish Science Temple of America, 710 South Wheeler, Unit 1, Griffin, Indiana. Let's go. And, check that out. Okay, where did that other go? Okay, hold on 1 minute, gotta bring that up. Okay, here we go. This is 710 South Wheeler Street in Griffith, Indiana. Does it look like the Moorish Science Temple of America or some type of United States of America Republic government? Is that their headquarters? Let's see. I know where their headquarters is. Boom, here's their headquarters right here. Right there. And it is on 1940 South Homan Ave in Chicago, Illinois. Boom. There's your headquarters of the United States of America Republic National Government State Building. It looks kind of official to me, doesn't it? I mean, these guys are a joke, so come on, Christopher Cannon Bay. Can't you do any better saying that it's a government? You're not a government. Go back to here. It says that you're a domestic nonprofit corporation, and you fall under the Moorish Science Temple of America. And let's go back over here, and it's it's, again, up here. The United States of America Republic Corporation and Domestic Nonprofit Corporation. Boom. My friend, where does it say this is a government? It doesn't say that it's a government, you freaking moron. That's what you are. It's just a moron. I mean, let me hold on a minute and I'll bring out something else here. Oops, I was a little wrong on Ernest Walker Bay. It was the United States of North America, the Republic of North America. So let's look down here at a little bit here. And this is his documents here. It's not going to let you. So he calls himself the Royal Prime Minister, the United States of North America, the Republic of North America. Boom, boom. Almost the same shit that you're doing there, Christopher. So so start looking down through this. Boom. Okay, the United States, half these websites don't work anymore. This is what the guy looks like. And as far as I know, this guy is in jail. But he is he says, I am a Moorish American international businessman. So see, I mean, see, look, Christopher, you're not the first to do this. This guy's in jail, and it's not going to take long before you guys end up in jail for tax fraud and giving out fake identification, driver's license numbers, and things like that. I mean, you're a grown man, and you've got this. You live in this fantasy world where you're the president of a government that does not exist. Okay, it may exist in your head, but again, it doesn't exist. And where is it? Right here. You're using the Moorish Science Temple of America as a front for your scam. And how do you think they would react if they're knowing that you're using this? The Moorish Science Temple as a front for your supposedly scam government. I'd like to have you on my live feed so we can have a chit chat back and forth. I'll be really polite, nice, and stuff like that. So, and I've got a number of questions to ask. Same with if any member of the Moorish what is it? The Moorish American Consulate. I invite you all on here. Noble L, I invite you on here. The New More Order guy, I invite you back on here as long as you're polite and don't swear, and if we can have basically a normal conversation. Any of the people that don't believe in the Moorish Science Temple, and you're following the ways of CM Bay and stuff like that, please come on. I'd be glad to chat with you and just kind of feel you out where your mindset is and stuff like that. Again, thank you all for listening, and I'm gonna get more in depth on this during a live feed, and so there's a lot more information that I've found on this cat. So, and I only have 15 minutes on this little platform and when I don't go live. But thank you all.